What's up, man? How you doing, man? I wanted to bring you on here to let everyone know about your Amazon journey, man. I forgot how long you've been doing it now, but man, yeah, let everyone know how it's been going for you, where you were at before your Amazon journey, and kind of catch us up to what you're doing now.
Wow. Well, first off, thank you so much for the opportunity to share. This was a lot to just take in, man. He still got my adrenaline pumping with that. Man, that was great. But yeah, so I've been with Amazon on the program for the last 11 months. Actually got on your free workshop class on Sunday, June or July, something like that last year. The information made sense, thought it was the right thing, and everything just connected the dots for me and took your course in October. We launched our Amazon storefront November 6th, and it's been bananas ever since. Prior to doing Amazon, I work full time and still doing insurance. I make a six-figure income. So I think what I wanted to share was that, everybody, no matter what span of income you're at, everybody's looking for an opportunity. My family, we live in the suburbs, would appear to be like you made it, make a six-figure income, but I was still looking because I worked 60-hour weeks. I worked 6 days a week, 60-hour weeks, and was missing out a lot of time with my family. I've been married for 10 years to my beautiful wife, DeAndrea. She's on tonight. And I have two kids, two girls, 10 and 5. Even though I was making a great income, making six figures, on the weekends, I was always at work and I was missing out on quality family time, just spending that time with my family, being able to have the freedom to go out and just enjoy my life with my family. And I was looking for something to replace a six-figure income. And I knew continuing to trade dollars for hours wouldn't get me there. I would have to keep doing that cycle. So when I saw the workshop and saw the strategy, I was like, this is it, because I was praying for something. Like I said, I need to find something, a vehicle where I can leverage and make a profit. Because a long time ago, I heard this saying that said that a profit will make you a fortune, but a wage will only make you a living. And I was making a living, but I knew that would not allow me to make a fortune. So I got started with it. And in our first 24 days, we cleared $10,000 in sales. The
Hey,
next
y'all give it up for Terrell in the comments. First 24 days, 10,000, man. Keep going. I'm
Yeah.
sorry to cut
No,
you off.
no
That's
problem, no
crazy.
problem.
That's crazy.
$10,000 in sales November 6th to the end of November. Then December got crazy. We did about 15,000 in sales. I checked before I got on, we're at 96,000. So we're actually about to cross over the 100K mark in our 11th month in business. We made a goal that we would do $100,000 on Amazon in our first year, and we've been working towards it. We actually do a mix. We've done some FBA, but we do majority FBM because we had to work with what we had. We had hustle, we had grit, we had determination. But on a single income family, raising a family of four, we didn't have a huge startup capital to jump right into FBA. So we went right into doing FBM, and we will be leveraging more FBA, looking to use that OPM, like we learned yesterday,
Yeah.
other people's money, in order to be able to scale. Because what we've been able to learn in this program is a strategy, and guys, it works. I'm telling you, it works. If you could just, well, I'm not trying to, just it works, guys. It really does, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful to you, Will. I want to say it publicly for you taking action and you putting together an environment where people can learn this skill set and be able to make a difference in their lives. One of the biggest differences made in our life, like I said, I do consulting for insurance companies, major companies, like a good neighbor. Y'all probably know who that is. But working 60-hour weeks is hard. I mean, it's demanding time-wise. And over this summer, I was able to take a leave from my job in July, and I'm still on leave right now. I haven't went back because I've been able to enjoy the summer with my wife and kids, along with doing our Amazon business that we all do together. It's a family business. I saw it on an ad last summer and got started with it, but the success is because me and my wife has been doing it together, and my kids too, my girls. My two daughters, 10 and 5, they're the head of the toys and games division, as I like to tell them. Our business literally exploded off of a tip from my 10-year-old daughter. She told me about a toy that was very, very popular amongst her friends in elementary. I had never heard about it, didn't know what it was. And you know what? I went on and applied for a wholesale account like we learned in the course, got referred to a supplier that carried it in bulk, and we started selling that product, and they haven't slowed up since. So I don't know. I don't know if that's all you wanted me to share, but it's been great, guys. And one of the goals we set, Will, was to do that 100K, because I heard you say before we got the course, if you do 100K, you coming out here and get this plaque. And that was a goal that we set. So that's probably going to happen in the next 48 hours. So we want to meet you soon.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, man. Like you're only like 6K away. You said you're 94K?
4K away, 96K in sales.
Yeah, so you're 4K away from getting that 100K plaque. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm excited for you, brother. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and personally deliver it to you, man, because I've been following your journey for a long time, and I love that you're doing it with your family too, and documenting it too, because I follow you on Instagram. So that's beautiful to see, man. And I saw someone ask in the chat, just to give them some context, how much startup capital did you actually start up with? That did you allocate to like the business?
Definitely. What we did was we leveraged some OPM. We took out a small amount of money to start up our business. It was about $4,000.
Okay.
We used that to get our LLC, because we did not have an LLC. And we did some things to get some initial products going. So it was about 4,000 that we had as initial startup. And again, like I said, in our first 24 days, we were able to do $10,000 in sales. So that small seed that we decided to use to leverage and start our business, we got that back in our first 30 days.
Wow, man, that's crazy. So $4,000 turned into $96,000, about to turn into six figures. And man, you over delivered today, man. I appreciate you for being on here. But before I let you go, is there one like gem that you can give to someone that's on here? Maybe they're on the fence about starting this. Maybe they're a little bit scared. What would you have to say to that person that's on the fence of, selling on Amazon?
Oh wow, definitely. One gem I would say, I hate to piggyback off the speaker, but it's do it now. Do it now. Don't, make excuses. I had every excuse that I could have looked at. Working 60-hour weeks. I'm 38 years old. I have two kids, and it just didn't look like it could be a fit with my current life schedule. But we didn't make any excuses. We took massive action, and don't delay. I'm here as a witness. I'm not a paid sponsor here on this call. Will did not pay me. He didn't Zelle me. He didn't do anything to ask me to talk about this and edify. I'm here telling you about somebody who sit right where you were at. I was on a free workshop, just like you all, last summer. And here you go. Here, me and my family was able to generate $100,000 online without having to go and sell a product. Me and my wife, we did network marketing before, relationship marketing, and we had to be really good at selling benefits of products and inviting family and friends to opportunities. And we got burnt out on that. And when we found a vehicle like this, where all you have to do is, check off some criteria and make sure that a product meets these things, and it literally just sell like that. We had never experienced that in our life before. And it literally, we're still in awe of this opportunity. So I would say, if you're in pain and you really want change, you're gonna make that change when the pain of staying the same outweighs the pain of what it's gonna take to make it happen. So I just wanted to say that, and thank you all again for the opportunity to share, and get started, not now, but right now.
That's the key, man. A lot of people took the same information that you took, but they didn't get results. And I tell people all the time, the difference between them and the people that get results is the fact that the people that get results just take action, right? And
Absolutely.
You took massive action. You and your family are killing it. I can't wait to go ahead and give you your plaque, man, and keep going crazy. I want to be able to give you the $1 million plaque too. My friend Hamza, he's in the program too. He actually has his own social media now. It's Seller Central Boys on IG. They just hit $1 million on Amazon. He started with my program as well. I'm gonna have to connect you guys because y'all are both just doing your thing. But I appreciate you, Terrell, man.
Can I share this with you? If y'all see this, this is a check that I wrote out to myself. I don't know if you can see this. It's dated June 15th, 2012 for $1.5 million. And I put in a description for paying the full price, whatever it would take. I've been carrying this check around with me in my wallet for over 10 years because I set a goal to do that. I just knew I needed the right vehicle. So I know we found it, and we're going to be able to take this check to the bank.
Hey man, that's beautiful, man. You were able to do $100,000 in about 12 months of you being into your first year being into this business. And what I love about business is it's exponential, right? The year before last year was my first $1 million year. And then the very next year we did 10 million. And then this year we're looking to do around almost 30 million. So it's like you can go ahead and do 100K like you just did, but next year you could do 7 figures. You could 10x. And that's the beauty about business, man, is like once you've mastered that formula, once you have the blueprint, now you just got to scale, keep doing what's working, and you can go from making 100K to making a million to then making 10 million. It's not like when you're working a W-2 job where you're going from getting paid $25 an hour to, if you do everything perfect, next year you might get 26, right? Yeah. That's not exponential. It's not going to get you nowhere. So that's the beauty of business. And again, bro, I appreciate you for being on here. If you need anything from me, let me know. And as soon as you hit that 100K, let me know as well. And let everyone in the community know too, because I know that'll be inspiring for everyone too.
Absolutely. Thank you for the opportunity to share tonight, Will.
Appreciate you, man. Have a great rest of your day.